Hey guys, welcome again to this new series. So in this series, we are going to continue from where we stopped in the previous series. So now to continue further, we are going to be changing this title to e-commerce. Laravel 8 e-commerce development. Okay. Yeah, so Laravel 8 e-commerce development. Now to continue with our development, we have to split our index. Is very important. We need to split this index area. So for us to split this index area, what do we need to do? So we are going to highlight everything we have here. So we highlight everything, so you can use Ctrl X to take it out, and we are going to create a new folder under our views, a folder called layouts. So inside the folder layouts, we are going to create app.blade.php. okay, now inside this app.blade.php, this is where our header and the footer is going to be, which is this file I just added. Now in this area, now we are going to take out the body content itself. Now after taking out the body content, we are going to introduce YID. Sorry, that is my co-pilot. So we are going to bring in YID. So Laravel blade YID. So now YID, what are we outputting into this place? So we are outputting what? Body. So we are outputting body. Okay, save that, Ctrl S, then go back to the index.blade.php. So over here now, we are going to be extending the app.blade.php. So now what do? We are going to use the Laravel 8 extend functionality. So we are going to say extend. So what are we extending? We are extending layouts app. That is this guy over here is what we are extending. Okay, so after extending it, now what do we do after we extend? We want to make a declaration of this body so that it's going to be functional. Okay, so we're going to say section add section. So you can use this section. So by the time you install the Laravel 8 extension pack, you're going to be given this thing. Okay, so section and end section is what we're going to be bringing in. Now as you can see, our YID, our output is body. Okay, so we go back to this place and point this as as body. The inside this content area, we are going to bring in our content, which is this H1 that we are using earlier. Okay, now save this. Now this is our index, and we already have our app.blade.php. okay, save it, go back to your browser. Now let's see if it's working. Ctrl R. As you can see, it is working perfectly. Now if I use Ctrl U to check our HTML, you're going to find that everything will work as expected. So Laravel is working very fine. Okay, so now close that and go back to your edit area. Okay, now after we are done setting our header and our footer, then our body is also set. The next thing we need to do is to go back to the app.blade.php and introduce Bootstrap 5. Okay, now it's time to go to Bootstrap 5 website. So we're going to go to Bootstrap 5 website. Bootstrap 5 website. Just search Bootstrap 5 on Google, then click on the links that come up for you. Okay, so I'm using Bing to search over here. So if you are using Google, do the same thing. My network is a bit slow, so don't mind my network. So once we are here, just scroll down to starter templates. Okay, I think this is where we have the starter templates. Now as you can see, we have the starter templates in this place. So just click on this copy to clipboard. Okay, go back to this place, highlight everything. Don't forget we are still using this guy, but highlight everything, paste what you copy into this place, then uncomment this proper.js. We need it. Okay, uncomment proper.js, Okay, now scroll up to where we have this hello. Take this hello out of this place and bring in the yield. Bring in the yield, which is what, body. Okay, save that. And the title, let's return our title, e-commerce development with Laravel 8. Okay, save it now. Okay, save that, and let's see if it's working. Let's go back to our page. Okay, as you can see, it's working. So now the next thing we need to consider is jQuery. So we're going to search jQuery. So jQuery CDN. Okay, jQuery CDN. Let's see what we are getting from that. Okay, I will advise just scroll down to W3 School, where we have jQuery get started. So we can use Google CDN to get the jQuery. Don't mind my network, a bit slow, so let's use Google CDN jQuery. So copy this Google CDN jQuery, then close this tab, close the stamp. Okay, so we'll go back to the code area and paste the jQuery above the JavaScript CDN you are looking at in this place. So I'm going to paste this guy in this place now. Use Ctrl S to save it. Okay, then refresh my page. As you can see, everything will still look great. Okay, now since we are done with our layout and our index is compiled together with our header and footer. Okay, so in the next series we are going to work on getting the login and the registration page ready. Okay, so thank you for this series. So in the next series we are going to do that.